Testing 1 2. Hopefully the microphone is working. We got a green light, so hopefully it is working. But what's up, y'all? Cap Outdoors. This is CJ. Today I wanted to talk about what I bring to the field when I go hunting. First and foremost, camo. Not this right now, but I got a ghillie suit and some nice coveralls. You don't need much of that expensive stuff. You just need something to blend in the woods and not be sticking out. You know what I mean? For two, carry a backpack, and I always carry, obviously, the calls, grunt calls. This one has a wheezing when the deer snort. It's pretty cool. Called in a lot of deer, even at home, even right here. There was a deer right over there, and called him in about 10 yards right in front of me, and I was just still, and he was just munched on the leaves right there. Pretty cool experience. If I have the video, I'll pop it up right here. Second, I personally don't buy the what do you call that scent stuff that gets rid of all your scent. I don't do that. I just go to a pine tree with pine needles or whatever, a fresh one, not like this, but something like these, green. And what I do is I boil it in hot water for, I don't know, 5-10 minutes, and then I dump all the water into this, and it smells just like it, and it's fresh pine. And I've gotten deer within arm length away, and didn't even know I was there, just trotting right by me, probably at the end of this crossbow. Yeah, about that. And really cool experience. But that's what I do for sprays. But I don't spray it when I leave the house. I spray it and get changed at my destination before I walk into the woods. Just helps with surrounding sense. Next, I got this. It used to be a little fire pit, little grate thing or whatever, and I use this to make scrapes. It's really cool. Let's see what else we got in here. Me personally, since I make videos and whatnot, this is a chest mount, so when I go tracking or something, I can just put this on and you have a third person view. Pretty cool. Second or third, I keep a box of extra spare broadheads. I used fixed. Me and my personal experience, that is the most efficient and best way to go, because mechanical broadheads are notorious for breaking at the blade. Let's see. Got a pair of snips. Never go wrong with that, because if you have a bush or a branch in the way, you can easily snip that. I have new face paint. And then I always keep a thing of Tinks Dopus. During the rut, can never go wrong with it. Sometimes I even just crack open the bottle and just set it in my cup holder so the scent just lingers. And I mean, last year in one day I had probably $6 or $8, somewhere between there, just roaming around right here, just trying to figure out where that scent's coming from. And I'm up in the stand, so they don't know, but that scent lingers far. And if a buck's in the area, he's gonna smell that and he's gonna investigate, and you got your opportunity right there. Also, in the last video, I mentioned how I have Ballista's universal quiver, which is badass, I must say, just because, for one, this adjusts. So whenever, here, I'll even put it on for you. I might gotta take my bipod off, but that's okay. Let's see. Quick snaps. So it started downpouring, so that's why we are in the garage now. We were with the universal quiver that Ballista has. It's new. It is badass. Why it's badass? Quick attachment for your Picatinny rails. And like me, I have both full size and the pistol crossbows. So it takes the micro diameter, but also the normal full size bolts, which is freaking awesome. I already shot it. Let's see. We'll shoot it again just for shits and giggles, huh? It's freaking cool. Well, oh, I got that in here. Okay. So 50 pounds to pull this back. You can decock it, and I'll show you how to decock it here in 1 second. We'll take the shot. Okay. So to decock this, here, let me put this cap on just so. Okay. Decock this. So you take your arrow off, your bolt, whatever it is. What you're going to want to do is push this safety in. Okay. Pull your string back. Make sure it's nice and firm. And then fire. Don't be scared. And there you go. It's decocked. You can put whatever scope you want it, or sight. Me, I just have a scope. And then I have this green laser. So, yeah, it's a pretty sweet setup, huh? Let's see. That shoots, I believe, 350 feet per second. But me being the hunter that I am, I'm not shooting a deer past 25 yards with it. I mean, it'll take a deer efficiently at 35 yards. But I'm just not comfortable with the weight of the bolts to take a shot that far at a deer. So I'll pass on it. But 25 and under, yeah, no problem. No problem. So this season I'm taking both. The Ballista Bat Reverse and the Mega Bat Reverse. This has no problem shooting a deer at 100 yards. And that being said, I mean, I'm not going to be shooting a deer at 100 yards because that's just too much flight time for the bolt to go in or to be shot and a lot can happen in just that 1 second, 2 second, whatever it is. Deer could be moving, whatever. But I tell you what, I will be shooting a deer if it gets out to 50 yards. 50 yards, it's like shoot, boom, shoot, boom, shoot, boom. It's quick. This is 450 feet per second. I have the Falcon Flex scope set on, adjustable stock to whatever preference, whatever fits you best. This is a 2:7 by 32, and it's crystal clear glass. So when you're looking through it, there's no fog, there's no blur, there's just amazing sight. It has 3 different things you can use your sight on. You can have your regular black with your dots or whatever, or you can have the red and green, and that has 5 different levels of red and green. So whatever your condition is, early morning or whatever, you're probably going to want to do me personally, I like red, so I'm going to do the first setting of red because it is for low light. The brighter it is, the brighter the day is, the higher you're going to want it. But yes, 110 pounds to pull back, and 450 feet per second. And it makes a world of a difference when you have your foot on the stirrup, which is this part, and this to pull back on. Really freaking sweet design. Ballista did a really good job at building this. And they have a new crossbow that just came out, or is about to come out. I think it's called the Hawking. I want to get my hands on that because that looks like a sweet, sweet, sweet crossbow. And if it shoots faster, might have to buy one myself. Yes. We'll take a shot at this. So to cock it, make sure your foot's in this, but all you have to do is this. Bada bing, bada boom, baby. So not like the pistol crossbows, like the Ballista Bat and Ballista Bat Reverse. This you do not want to decock it, just because of how strong this is. I think it has 350-pound limbs. Still a little wet. 350-pound limbs, and it's holding back some energy. I'll just say that. Another thing that I like to do is mark my arrows or bolts. So this is number 1, just because I've shot in all the bolts that I have, and this shoots like the best. And this is gonna be my hunting bolt. Another thing that I'm using is fixed broadheads. So I found out that they shoot way better. The shorter the broadhead is, the better it does, is what me personally I've found out. I've bought countless of mechanical broadheads, and those did not do good. But all of these short broadheads, like the 3-blade fixed, prime. We'll take a shot and see if you can hear it. I'm not sure if the microphone will pick up. but we'll do it anyways. Yeah, always safety in right before you shoot. Don't forget, or else you might miss your opportunity at a deer. Bullseye. But hopefully the microphone picked that up. It is a freaking beast. By far the best crossbow that I've ever had in my whole entire life, and I've had multiple different crossbows. And yeah, this is by far my favorite. So, but we have a big announcement for Ballista. Anyone who follows Ballista, each month we will have a new promo code. So starting September 1st, keep a lookout. And the old promo codes won't work. So I'll let you guys know what the promo code for the month is, and we'll go from there. And also, a huge shout out to everyone who has bought in something from Ballista this month. Huge thanks. It has helped me and my family, and also Ballista. So anything you buy, I will get a small portion. I'll get a little bit of commission off of it. But also it's a win-win for me and you because you also get a discount. So again, thank you so much, and don't forget, guys, stay shooting. Hunting season is right around the corner, and I can't wait because I got some bucks. I got some bucks, nice bucks too, that are on my trail cam, and I'll show you guys right here. So stay tuned, guys. Promo code right here